Welcome back to AM Northwest. If you want to look younger and thinner without diet or exercise, well, you're in a long line of people. You can do something about it, though, and it really starts with your neck. And here to tell us about a procedure that offers amazing results, please welcome from Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm and his patient, Melanie Vogelpool. Nice to have you guys here. Dr. Darm, we're talking about Laser Lift 3?
LipoLift.
LipoLift 3. All right, thank you. Explain LipoLift 3.
LipoLift 3 is a laser that goes underneath the skin. It melts the fat, a very, very tiny hole, like the size of a straw. And once the fat is melted, then it's sucked out. It tightens the skin at the same time, so it's different than liposuction. Plus, you're wide awake, which is what's different than liposuction.
And Melanie, you had this done.
I did.
Tell us about your experience.
It was great. I went in. I actually was talking to the doctor as we were kind of doing it. And
here's a picture
before.
of you where we can see some of the neck you're talking about here.
Yeah.
Obviously, we see
Kind of
now
stuff.
that's not there.
Yeah, it's all, you can't really exercise that away. And went in and I had it on a Monday. On Thursday, I went to my daughter's school play and just put a scarf around my neck for, there's a little bit of bruising. But other than that,
And
it
what's
was
been the
great.
reaction of family and friends?
Well, a little while after the procedure, I went back and surprised my sister for her 40th birthday. She didn't know I had this done and didn't know I was coming. And after she got over the shock of me actually being there in North Carolina when she thought I was in Oregon, she was like, "Oh my gosh, you look like you lost 40 pounds. What did you do?" And she had just seen me just a few months before
Because the
that.
neck really does add a lot of weight.
Yeah, I found myself avoiding having my pictures taken and stuff because no matter what else I had done with the rest of, my body, taking pictures still looked the same.
And this procedure works on other parts of the body as well, right? We've got some pictures before and after of let's look at upper arms here, if we have that one ready to go. Okay. All right, let's look at neck picture. Okay, here's the arm picture. All right. That is dramatic, that result there.
Yeah, and you can do the arms. We can do the abdomen, the
how many procedures, though? How many visits?
Just one. That's one and done.
That's one and done?
Yeah, one and done.
Do you experience any, Melanie, did you experience any pain?
It was a little bit uncomfortable when they put the anesthesia in, just like a little bit of pinching. But other than that, the procedure...
Is that belly one?
One and done.
And by the way, this is not
this
Melanie.
This is not me.
But it's me.
But that's dramatic results. I hear the back as well.
That's great.
But I did have those things. I did have those things done, and it is dramatic.
And you mentioned it's people always think about liposuction, but laser is like
lipolysis is just different. It's really the next generation of liposuction.
And I get the impression that it's not as violent.
It's not as violent.
Liposuction seems so violent.
The recovery is much, much less. Most people, like Melanie, was back to doing a lot of her normal activities within 2 or 3 days.
It's not really considered. It's not considered surgery either, is it?
Well, it's a minimally invasive surgery, I guess, is what you would have to term it.
And you mentioned you wore a scarf, a little bit of bruising. Is that it for the downtime? I mean, just otherwise you're fine.
Well, you've got to wear a compression, bandage and so on, and there can be some bruising, and we follow them for several months afterwards. But generally speaking, it's
quick and easy.
Yeah. Yep.
Very good. Well, if folks want more information, you can contact Aesthetic Medicine, free consultation, 503-697-9777, and we've got information too on our website at katu.com. You look great.
Yeah,
Thank
you do. You look fantastic.
I feel good.
Thank you.
You look
Thank you, Dr.
exactly the same.
Yeah, you're the same. Oh my God, and so do you.
Yeah, thank you.